Hello YouTube, Jerry Kirkpatrick here, and today we're going to open a couple of packages of product that a couple of sponsors have sent. The first one will be Aircraft Spruce and then Fournier. But first I'd like to thank the sponsors that were mentioned in the last video of opening boxes. First would be Randy Richards for donating the dead blow knocker that he makes. Thank you very much, Randy. Next will be the Black Book. It's amazing how much stuff they sent us, both for the gift bags that will be handed out when you sign in, and for the mini books and the charts that they sent. And lastly, I'd like to apologize to Woodward Fab, who sent us those nice leather slappers. I said twice that they were Willwood. It's Woodward Fab. I've used Willwood in all of my sprint cars and midgets that I've built, and a lot of the street cars also. So Willwood was in my head, but thank you to Woodward Fab. So let's get to opening up these boxes. I'm going to start with Fournier, and we'll see what all's in here. And then we'll get to Aircraft Spruce. Let me get these things off of the table, get this box open and laid out, and we'll be right back. So here from Fournier, we have a bunch of stickers. One of these each will be in your goodie bag, and a nice set of mallets. Very small one, fairly short radius on the end. And then there is the complete opposite of that. A very large radius and even larger on this end. And then you have the medium. So all three of these pieces will be in the raffle. So get some tickets. And here from Aircraft Spruce, there's a gift card, and I think I remember the fellow saying that this would be a $100 gift card. I looked at all of the paperwork and I couldn't find the dollar amount, so whoever wins this, when you call in or try to use it, you'll find out what the amount on the card is, but I'm thinking it's $100. And they sent two of these really nice t-shirts from Aircraft Spruce. Has Aircraft Spruce on the front, and they also sent along 10 of these catalogs, and you can see they are quite thick, almost like a LA phone book. So there's only 10 of these. So I guess what we'll do is find out who can actually use them. I don't know how we'll go about doing that, but we don't want to just give them out to anybody and then have them go into the trash. So we'll figure out a way to get these 10 catalogs to those who will use them. And next is Ron Covell, and he's going to be putting in 8 of his DVDs, and he said that if you get one of these in the raffle, you can talk to him and you can take any one that you want out of his selection. So just because we're showing a particular DVD, it does not mean that that's the one that you have to take. he graciously says that he will afford one that maybe you don't have in your collection. I know my collection is pretty full. So last in this series will be from Valley Forge and Welding. That's me. I'll be giving away, or in the raffle will be 2 sets of my radius turning tool with the DVD. 2 sets of the flat plate bead roller modifications that I've made. Most of you have seen my bead roller, and that's with 2 of the sets of plans along with the DVD. And also I'll be putting in the raffle 2 of my wall charts. A lot of good information on these. So that's it with all of the raffle items that is going to be displayed in this video. So let's get on to some business. So next week I'm going to be opening 3 more boxes, and all 3 of these are from Diamide clamps. They're typical of a no twist clamp, but they're very unique. I will do a standalone opening on these, and I'll show you how they're used and why they are so unique and a great product. Be sure to watch the next one and you'll see what these clamps are. Now for a COVID update here in Mendocino County in Willits. Willits at this time has no more beds for COVID patients. If you get COVID in Willits, you have to be sent to Ukiah, which is 25 miles south of here. If they run out of beds, then you have to go to Santa Rosa. So I'm pretty sure in only 3 weeks that we will be strictly adhering to the Mendocino County health regulations, and that means wearing of a mask inside. Once you go outside the door, your mask can come off. But anytime you are in the shop, you'll probably, I would say almost definitely, be wearing a mask. Mask will be provided. I have several boxes of them coming, and hand sanitizer. So hand sanitizer will be placed out where you're eating by each of the doors that you can come into. So we want to keep everybody safe while they're here at my shop. Here in Willits, we've had 6 deaths in this last month, and all of those deaths were people who were not vaccinated. We've had 45 cases in the whole county. So Willits alone, we only have about 5,000 people in town. So you can see the ratio is not looking good. I just want everybody to be safe when you're here. So thanks again to all of our sponsors. We're really getting some fantastic product in for the raffle. I think you'll be quite surprised on Sunday after lunch when we start pulling names, pulling tickets out of the drum. So thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed seeing the stuff that's going to be into the raffle. See you later.